Hey guys, hey, how are you guys doing? Yo, it's Wednesday. Right now it's 2 p.m. you guys. 2 p.m. and I'm going to start my shift. And I have my first order, you guys, which is $20 going 1 mile. And it's only, let's see how many items that we're going to. So.
Arrived.
Just received $23 for 14 mile. No, I'm not gonna pick this order. Let's wait for another one. Let's wait for another one, y'all. Received another one, y'all. $23 for 10 mile and for 3 drop off. So it's slow. I'm going to pick up this one. Let's pick up this one. Hello, 2262.
Okay.
Alright, let's drop this last order, y'all. Let's drop this last order. It's only sodas. Alright guys, we got another order. 1870 70 miles, and it's going 3 drop off. We're dropping 3 drop off, so that's good. And our pickup time is 4:55. So let's relax in here and wait for our order. Okay, y'all, it's 4:55 right now. Let's start our trip. I hope it's ready. Yes, it's ready. So I hope they're gonna bring it outside as soon as possible. So gonna do that and select our parking. We're on 5. So okay, your first drop off. Let's go drop it off. Let's go drop it off. I have to make sure this stuff here matches what I have, so they match it. So let's go. So he came to pick up his groceries. So let's go to our next drop off. It's showing we have oh, I haven't ended. Yo, I haven't ended because let me take a picture of the building. and it says he came to pick it up. Let me do hand it to customer. Okay, now let's go to our next drop off, which is 4 minutes. So it's not bad, only 4 minutes from here. Only 4 minutes. So let's go, y'all. Let's go. All right, y'all. Let's go drop our last one. It's only 2 minutes from here. Only 2 minutes. Only 2 minutes from here, y'all. Let's go drop it off. Yo, this drop off was super smooth. Super smooth. Like everything, like all the drop off had only like few items. Only few items. I didn't have to struggle going back and forth. So, for people who came in the morning, I think today was a busy day because since I came, I'm getting orders back to back, you know? Getting orders back to back. So if you came in the morning, I think you did that, you know? You got some money right now. Okay, so I think it's 5:31 right now. Let me go ahead and do one order before I go home. Let me only go back, and it's 10 minutes from here to Walmart. So let me go and see if I can do one more order before I go home. Yeah. Let me get this last order in, y'all. $14. It's going 6.9 miles. Nope, this is a decline. I'm not gonna take this for 3 drop-offs. So let's go ahead and wait for another one.
To take the exit onto South Main.
Told you guys the better one is gonna come. $20, 8 mile, and it's a shopping order. Let's see how many items. 13 items. So let's go. Let's accept this order, y'all. Let's go. So this is gonna be my last order of the day because as you see, 5:51 right now. So let's go shop this order. So somebody just called me. It was a number that I don't know. I didn't pick up, and they called again twice. I was like, oh, okay. Let me pick up this number. And I said, hello. And there was a customer. She said, is this Walmart? I said, no. I said, I'm a SparkDriver. He said, okay. And he said, I'm waiting for you at the door. I said, hold on. I dropped my order like 15 minutes ago. And you're trying to tell me that I delivered to the wrong house? He said, yeah, I think you did. I was like, oh my gosh. And he was like, it was water, right? I said, no, it was not water. And he was like, oh, okay, never mind then. So how did he give my number, y'all? Let me know. How did he give my number? I have no idea, y'all. So anyway, my shift is over right now. It's 6, y'all. It's 6. I said that was gonna be my last order. So we started at 2 and my shift ended at 6 and I made $80, y'all. I made $80. And this afternoon it was busy, y'all. I was getting order back to back. So I hope in the morning was the same thing. Like, let me know how was your area today, y'all. Comment down below. How was your area? Did you give some money today? Anyway, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, comment, like. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.